Alright, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to install a very cute ponytail with some curls using braiding hair as well as crochet hair. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get our base ready, if you will. So I kind of already have my hair up in a ponytail already, so I'm just gonna like clean it up some and spray some Got2b on it and then put my scarf on so everything can be laying down while I'm doing what I'm doing. Okay, all right, so my ponytail, let's go ahead and take it down. And then spray a little Got2b. I want it to hold. Top of my head, no lumps. Everything is accounted for. Okay. Go ahead and brush it though. Brush it. Make it smooth up both sides. And we're going to pop this. I'm not gonna do this too tight because I don't want my hair to be pulling, and obviously you guys should know by now, if you don't, wearing extremely tight ponytails are not good for your hair in general, let alone your edges. So yeah, be very, very careful with that. All right, so we have our ponytail up. I'm gonna spray a little bit more around. Put a little bit of situation. I am not going to be laying edges every day, okay? But for the sake of the tutorial, okay, we are going to lay not a lot, nothing dramatic, very simple and classy edges, okay? Not swoop-de-doops and dramatic swoop-de-doops and all those things. More power to those that do that. That is just too much work for me every day to be doing, and my edges do whatever they want to do. So they'll lay, and then when they get tired of laying, they're gonna do that. So I'm clear about that. So I'm not gonna fight with them about this. So we'll just make sure we're all swooped up, okay? And then wrap her around it. Make her a little bit bigger. Tie her down across the front. Again, this is just to make sure that my hair really lays down, because I don't want to keep applying product every day. But go ahead and take off one of the 3 strands that you guys saw in the intro. So here's one. And I want it to be like jumbo. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. So here's one, and here is the other one. Okay. So this should be good. All right, so I'm actually going to use the rubber band that they have already on here. Normally I would tell you guys not to use rubber bands on your hair, but technically this is just going on my Outdoor Scrunchie that you can get from TressesBeautySupply.com. So I'm not concerned with it. So actually, what I'm gonna do is put this on just like this. All right, I'm going to separate these 2. Go over this way. on. Okay, and then I'm gonna do that one more time. Again, because I want it to be a little bit thicker. I'm gonna wrap it around, just like this, at the base, around the entire thing. And right here, I'm gonna grab it again and go one more time. Okay. All right. So now we have. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is make sure that I pull out some hair that I'm going to use to wrap around my actual pony when I'm done. So we're gonna use about that clip right here onto the scarf. All right. Butterfly it. Remember, the longer the hair is, the more likely it's going to be this time. To start making sure, or continue to make sure it's like even. Cut this off. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start pulling it. I'm gonna start pulling ever so slightly, just to fluff it up. So kind of just picking, just some areas to make it a little bit bigger. Before I go ahead and add in that other piece, I'm gonna go ahead and do this piece right here, the wraparound. All I'm gonna do, you see there's nothing there. I'm gonna take this piece and literally wrap it around the ponytail. And just keep wrapping. And then we are going to spray that one like for life, depending on it, okay? Cute. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our razzle dazzle. So we're gonna take our crochet needle, we are going to slide it through. We're going to take this piece of hair, sit it right in the section with the hook, like so, and then we are going to close the latch and pull it through. When we get it through, we're only going to take one side of those two pieces that we pulled through. I'm going to separate it and pull only half of it through, like such. Alright, so that gives us a little 1-2 razzle dazzle. And then I'm gonna do that a few more times, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Alright, so here's what the end looks like.